Well, folks, it's that time of year again. Time for snow, cold temperatures, and the sound of Santa's sleigh bells. That's what's coming up next on LCARA HAMRadio.
The call this year for the officers of the club.
How much is my pay?
That's not something we discussed here at this time. But Michael, congratulate you for member of the year. You put in so much time this year. All kinds of things.
Don't think that this is going to make me want to stay in this community.
Well, you know,
we're finding somebody else. I think we're going to find somebody else, but thank you.
You're very welcome, and thank you for all the time you put in.
Alrighty. Has everybody been good this year?
Yeah, you got to watch him.
Well, busy, making toys. Been a lot of good kids this year.
Yeah,
That really
that's a different
problem.
Well, we can.
Causes more workshop, trying to keep things in
They
order.
haven't called a strike or anything on here.
No, the L's are pretty good about no striking. Well, I do. It's safe. It's kind of safe because most of them don't have guns. So I don't have to worry about them shooting at me thinking they can get a deer.
That's any argument.
Or otherwise. Okay. Let's see. Is Peggy here?
She'll be here in a few.
Okay.
It is.
This. How about Harrison?
Oh, Field and Braves.
Okay, Harrison. Here you go. And have a seat right here. Whenever we're right, you make it here. What do you want for this? You know how many days it is to Christmas? Get together.
Can we get a picture stamping?
You bet.
Maybe two? No, two. Ah.
Well, no.
Yeah, he was in my right. You there, Steve?
Yeah, right, a good time. Look up here.
Smile.
Miles, you got it?
Yes.
I know it.
Okay, well now, see if we can do it for you. You're gonna wear a helmet and you have respect so you don't get completely damaged. Maybe.
That's a good answer.
What happens to you? Oh, thank you.
It's not.
Look at how you can't wear anything. Itty meeny miny muffins. No maybe.
There's some weird. Look.
Bro, he found his way.
She really gets ripped up. You'll turn and look for the ball. And it takes it for 3 days, then she'll forget about it. But laughing and giggling and watching TV. Yeah, she's always. You throw it under the bus. I've got her.
Well, folks, we had a great time at the LCARA Christmas dinner. Good time was had by all, lots of good food. Not much was left, in fact. And of course, no dinner would be complete without a visit from Santa Claus to bring presents to the children. We had a great time. We hope you're having a great time, and we hope you have a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Enjoy the holidays, enjoy the weather, and we will see you folks in the next video. This is Chris, KY4CKP, for Lake Cumberland Amateur Radio Association, 73.